everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to tell you guys about a pre-owned listing we have available. This is a 2020 Nautic Star 2102 Legacy. Very gently used, tons of upgrades on this boat. I'm gonna go ahead and start in the back of the boat. We have the 150 horsepower Yamaha. I believe there's about 20 hours on this motor. I'd say 20 to 50 hours. I have to get the technician to hook up the laptop to it to confirm. But right behind it and incorporated with it is the turbo swing ski pylon. So it's super cool. One of the benefits of it is it helps protect the motor when you're docking and backing up and things like that. But in addition to that, it's a tow point for skis and tubes and all the water sports and stuff like that. So pretty cool. I love the invention. From there, we do have a live well built in right here. We do have a freshwater wash down over here as well. This is a huge live well, by the way. Check this out. And say you're out on the water, you need to go get some live bait. You're like, oh, where's the bucket? Oh, it's right here. Got a built-in bucket. Go get your live bait from the store. Walk down to the boat, pour it in there, put your bucket in there. You can use the bucket later for trash and whatnot. It's completely up to you. Under this seat right here, we have a cooler built in. So that does drain overboard. Fill it up with ice, fill it up with drinks, whatever you want. You can fill it up with your catch of the day if you'd like as well. Under that seat over there, we have our dual batteries and our battery switches down below. This seat actually does tilt out of the way to give you a nice clean walkthrough, and all these seats are removable. So this was an upgrade done by the clients. They put the leaning posts in. It's got your rod holders back here. Also upgraded by them was this T-top. So it's got the 4 speakers up top, tons of rod storage up here as well, canvas top, and again, great leaning post. You got the nice Nautic Star footrest right here with the SeaDeck, then storage throughout the boat. All your switches at arm's reach, a hummingbird display, and an Xfinity sound system, and got your steering wheel here with the trucker knob and your navigation up top, or your compass, which you know, old-time boaters say all you need is a watch and a compass, and you can find your way back. You look at the compass on the direction you're going out, you look at the time. Once you get to your destination, you know how long it took you there and which way you came from. So that's an old trick I learned from some of the old fishermen co-workers of mine. But moving forward, we do have storage on both sides. It's a nice little seating area right here. We do have another live well built in right here. So if you want to put either finger mullet in here and shrimp in the back, or vice versa, or use this as a release well in case you catch a few trout and you're like, I don't know if I want to keep them or not, keep them alive. So if you don't want to keep them at the end of the day, don't want to have to do all the work cleaning them, you can just go ahead and release them, and they'll go out and spawn and make more fish for you and your family to catch later. But up front, we have anchor storage. We have resets, cleats throughout the boat. I believe there's 4 on here. Tons of room. Sound system's great. The way the speakers are all facing inside, so you get sound from the back, sound from the front. Everyone on the boat's going to be entertained. We do have the inside the helm here. We do not have a porta potty, but it's something that can definitely be added. Here at MarineMax, we do offer that kind of service. So if you have any questions about that, just let us know and we can take care of you. So again, this is a 2020 Nautic Star 2102 Legacy here at MarineMax Houston, and my name is Billy Folks. Call us anytime if you have any questions.